welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my last two videos and you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know that I actually went to Nashville for a week and I picked up a couple of things. If you want to see the things that I thrifted, make sure you go check out the last video. Actually, I thrifted this shirt. I thought I'd wear it for my Nashville haul. But yeah, I was like on a really tight budget while I was there, so I only bought like a select few things, but there was just a couple of things that I really wanted to put on my YouTube channel, so I decided I was going to do a Nashville haul for you guys. So I think one of the very first things that I bought while I was there, if you guys haven't heard of the Bluebird Cafe, the Bluebird Cafe is actually a really like iconic cafe in Nashville, and it's actually where Taylor Swift was discovered, and so many other like really like well-known people have played there. Me and Tyler actually got the chance to play there on their Monday open mic. Which was freaking amazing, and I had to pick up a t-shirt to commemorate that moment because it was pretty unfreaking real. And it's blue, it just says the Bluebird Cafe Nashville, and it just fits really well. I've worn this a few times on my vlog channel throughout the Nashville trip. It's also like extremely comfortable and soft and nice. My aunt actually bought this for me. We went to the Grand Ole Opry, we did the tour, we seen a show there, so it was really cool. And she bought me and my sister these little harmonicas. Yeah, I think it's just a really cute little like souvenir from Nashville, from the Grand Ole Opry. We were also at a print shop, Hatch print shop. They do like so many posters in Nashville, like, and my aunt like pulled this one out of like the thing, and I was like, I don't care how much it is, I need it. And this should pretty much explain why. It's a Polaroid. It says examine your selfie. It's just, it was $10, so it wasn't too expensive, but it's just a print of a Polaroid. It says examine your selfie, and I thought, you know, I would display this with my collection of Polaroids because I'm obsessed. And then continuing on with the camera kind of theme, we actually went to a flea market. It was humongous. There was over 2,000 vendors. It was huge. It was hot. It was insane. We actually found these little this little camera. It was actually next to a brownie holiday, and I already have a brownie holiday. But this is actually a baby brownie. It's a baby brownie camera. I thought it was a really cute camera to have in the collection. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting so many stories about this, so you probably have already seen it. But Tyler, like, we kind of got separated, so the guys all kind of went their way and us girls went our way. But I told Tyler to keep his eyes peeled for a Polaroid, and he did not fail me. He found a Polaroid 104 automatic land camera. He found it for $5, which is very impressive. And you just pull it out. I don't know if you can still get film for this, but my grandpa actually gave me and my sister like 6 cases of film that actually work in this camera. So I've actually been taking so many pictures, like trying to figure out the focus. Yeah, I'm like freaking obsessed with this. These are all the pictures that I've taken with it since I got home. There's quite the stack. Yeah, I actually was vlogging when I was taking these pictures, so I'll insert a couple of vlog clips of me peeling this one open. Ready? Yeah. Oh, that one turned out.
Yeah, that one turned out so much better.
Nice.
Wow.
I'm gonna be using this thing like all summer. I'm pumped. So like I said, I was on a pretty tight budget, so that was literally all the things that I bought, but I didn't really need a ton of stuff, so I was really happy with that. Again, if you want to see the stuff that I thrifted, make sure to check out my last video, which is a Nashville thrift with me. I think that is the end of today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want me to do more like Polaroid videos, like I did a Polaroid video, like a Polaroid hacks video like a while back, and that's been getting a lot of attention recently, so if you want me to do any more Polaroid videos, also let me know because I would be so down. And yeah, with that being said, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and whatever else there is. If I'm on it, it's just at Fallon Fraser and you'll find me. So yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.